Hey, Armour fam. We Armour and Sons. We just want to bring a little something special to you guys. I know we do, little pranks and, little jokes and games and things like that, but we also want to show a different type of talent in which I believe you will be encouraged by. We want to sing to you on today. Not just sing, but we want to encourage you. Let you know that no matter what you go through in life, no matter what you experience, that God never fails. Yes, I said it. God never fails. So we want to bring something to you. Y'all ready back there?
Yes.
All right, this is a song by Hezekiah Walker, one of our favorites. It's called Wonderful. Ain't it wonderful or just wonderful? Amen, because we want to let you know that no matter how it looks, things are still wonderful. God is wonderful. If you woke up, you have a chance to experience the greatness of God. 1, 2, 3. All of my life, I never knew you to fail. You remain the same, man. Wonderful is your name. All of my life, I never knew you to fail. You remain the same, man. Wonderful is your name. All of my life, come on. All of my life, I never knew you to fail. You remain the same, man. Wonderful is your name. All of my life, I never knew you to fail. You remain the same, man. Wonderful is your name. Come on, you woke me up. You woke me up this morning, started me on my way, put food on my table, brought joy to my day. I'm grateful that would never change. And wonderful, and wonderful, and wonderful, wonderful is your name. My bad, come on, all of my life, you remain the same, and wonderful is your name. All of my life, I never knew you to fail. You remain the same, and wonderful is your name. Back to the time you woke me. You woke me up this morning, started me on my way. Put food on my table, joy to my day, joy to my day. I'm grateful that would never change. And wonderful, and wonderful, and wonderful, wonderful is your name. What's that other tag? All of my life. Here we go. I serve you. Rest of my life. What is all of my life or rest of my life? For the rest of my life?
Yes.
All the way through? Okay. For the rest of my life, I'll serve you. For the rest of my life. For the rest of my life, I'll serve you. For the rest of my life. One more time, for the rest of my life. Oh, for the rest of my life, I'll serve you. For the rest of my life. Can we take it back to you woke me up this morning? You woke me up this morning, started me on my way, put food on my table, brought joy to my day. If you know, you can sing it. I'm grateful that would never change. And wonderful, and wonderful, and wonderful, wonderful is your name. God bless you. Remember that. No matter what, God is still wonderful. Armour and Sons. Subscribe, like, share this video. We want you to comment. If you feel encouraged by this song, let us know. God bless you.